Today I'm going to show you how to clean your wooden cutting board the carnivore way. The carnivore way? I'm kidding, of course. There is no such thing like carnivore cleaning, unless maybe you're using tallow soap. So this video is also for all you vegans out there. But first, why would you even want to use a wooden cutting board? It sure adds to the eating experience, but otherwise it might seem quite pointless at first. Well, not in my opinion. I think it's actually very useful to use a cutting board, crucial even to keep your knives sharp. It really hurts to see anybody cutting their meat on a regular dinner plate. Well, since we are working with meat, it's important to sanitize our cutting boards very well. Rinse the cutting board after each use with hot steamy water and clean it with some mild dishwashing liquid or vinegar. And once in a while it's a good idea to clean the cutting board a bit more thoroughly, and in this video I'll be showing you my method of deep cleaning that I apply about once every week. I'm not saying it's the only method or that it's the best method out there, but it does come from a part-time raw carnivore, so you can be pretty damn sure it's effective. And here is what you'll need. You'll need some baking soda, some vinegar and a natural oil like this avocado oil. You could also use coconut oil, but I do not advise to use beef tallow. And of course, steer away from any of the seed oils or artificial mineral oils. Well, let's get started. First, run your cutting board under hot water and brush it well until it looks clean to the eye. Once that's done, flush the board with boiling water. This helps to disinfect it and the water will evaporate more quickly. Next, cover the still slightly wet board with baking soda and let it rest for a while. This is an excellent method for drawing out any substances that have been absorbed by the wood. Now drip some vinegar over the baking soda and watch it react. This reaction will help to loosen up any of the remaining residues. Give the board a good scrub on all sides and after that rinse it off again under hot water. Dry the board with a towel and once it's completely dry, grab some kitchen paper and rub it down with oil on all sides. This will nourish the wood and protect it. And that's it, your cutting board is clean, disinfected and ready for your next meal. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video interesting, make sure to check out the rest of my channel.